Welcome back to another sunny day. We're gonna make some
Another
cocktails,
cocktail.
have some fun.
Hey, and don't forget to post your photos of your cocktails. We want to have a look and see what you're making.
Oh yeah, because I need some new recipes. Well, he does anyway. I need to try something new.
No, I want to
I'd
see
like
how
a
people
Jamaican one.
I want to see people make these ones.
I'll make our ones. Okay. Yeah.
So, this is a bit of a twist on a classic that everyone loves drinking, which is espresso martinis.
Oh, okay,
But this has got a twist. So I'm making a coffee hazelnut martini.
oh yum. Okay.
Everyone loves a bit of hazelnut. So, ingredients for today. All we need is some really good drinking chocolate.
Oh, this is the rim. This is when we get to do some rimming.
Yes.
It's my favourite part of any day, the rimming. So,
All right.
chocolate. Oh. See, I got overexcited with my rimming.
Okay.
I made a mess. Okay.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
We need more chocolate than that.
Oh, okay. Well, just get it off the bench.
All right. So while he's doing that, the ingredients you're going to need for today is the cooking chocolate, simple syrup or sugar syrup. Now you can make this at home or just buy it at your local bottle-o. You need vodka. Mr. Black is a definite for this one. This is one of your favourites.
Yeah.
And some hazelnut liqueur. So if you can pass me the simple syrup.
You're simple, and I'm the syrup. Yeah.
So what you need is two plates. One plate has the cooking chocolate
For the rimming.
for the rimming, and then the other one you just tip some simple syrup. And what we're going to do is magically get all this to stick. So we're doing a bit of science again.
Oh dear.
You love science.
I do.
All right, so all you do is grab your martini glass and dip that in the syrup.
Okay, come on.
Okay, now,
Now I can put in the chocolate?
yes, you can rim it.
Okay.
So gently.
Gently, gently.
You don't want to break the glass.
No, it's like everything in life has a few chips.
All
Oh,
right.
look at that. Nice
Okay.
and rimmed. And a bit of ice in
Now
it.
put a bit of ice in there till you get it chilled. All we'll do is just move this out the road
I'm
so we
really
don't
good.
make
I'm,
more of a mess.
I'm good at this bit.
Okay, now, all we need, cocktail shaker. Put some ice in that for me, please.
Oh, yes. All the way to the top?
No, about halfway.
Okay.
Cool. Alrighty, so Mr. Black first.
Oh, Mr. Black. Hello, Mr. Black.
So, Mr. Black, you want a good splash.
This is good on breakfast cereal, you know, any time of the day. But
Now we need the vodka. Again, a good splash. And then finally,
Frangelico.
our secret ingredient, some hazelnut liqueur. And
Oh.
again, a little bit more, good splash of that.
I like the way you measure.
Alright, so again, shake. So if you can carefully tip the ice out. Place it on the table. Alright,
3 weeks later.
now always sieve this into
Why?
your glass because this is what gives you your frost, your foam on top of your martini glass.
Ah, and it got rid of all the little bits of ice. But I like them bits. No.
Now, to finish this off,
Oh, I thought I was ready.
all you need is a couple of coffee beans. And we're out of coffee. We're always out of coffee.
Oh, that's really good. Don't worry about the coffee beans. I'm happy to drink it like this.
But I'm not finished. The garnish is the most important part.
Well, you should be better organised, shouldn't you? Have it here.
So all you do is float a couple of coffee beans. Now if you want to be really, really decadent, bit of shaved dark chocolate. There we go.
Now I've got lumps in the bottom. Thank you. Cheers. It's just like Christmas.
Cheers. Enjoy everyone. Don't forget, follow us on our socials.
Yes, it's Cocktails with Wayne and Tom on Facebook.
Or you can go to Instagram Cocktails TV.
Wayne and Tom, maybe even on Joy TV. Hey, we get around. Even though we are in lockdown. Welcome to Stage 4 lockdown.
See you next time in our kitchen. Bye.